Again, I'm start recording. Okay, so now last class we discussed the abbreviation of SAP software. SAP is nothing but System Application Processor Programming in Data Processing. Okay, sir, you know that now we want to go for R by 1. So what is meaning of R by 1? Okay, so R by 1 is nothing but here R stands for real time, R stands for real time, 1 stands for presentation layer. So what we call is going to call as a presentation layer.
Presentation.
Okay, even it is called as a UI. Even it is called as a front end. Even it is called as a user interface. Okay, nowadays it's called as a app.
Mm,
Okay, sir, what is meaning of presentation layer in technical language? Presentation layer is nothing but directly interact with the users. So now
yes.
to log on to any application servers, so you should be or even you have to log on to any database. So how you log on? So either through go for when you go for olden days, you have only an CUI based character user interface. It's not very friendly. It's not a so nobody go only on who are working on that who know that language. Then only this is operating. For example, I want to checking as a my date and time, system date and time. How to do? Suppose I don't have this presentation, like I don't have this Windows operating system. Just assume as I'm using as a Linux operating system or a Unix operating system. Even at Windows also, I had only an. I don't have this all GUI. I have only an CUI. It's for CUI for character user interface. So how to check the date and time of my system? I want to checking as a date and time of the I want checking this date and time of my system. So how to check? So you want to go for CMD. It's nothing but command prompt. Even it's called as a is one of the CU application. Character user.
Interface.
Now what we'll do? Go for command prompt. So I want to type the command date and time. Then only it is displayed sometimes. So for example, a normal kit, even if I don't know anything about the command, then how you know that, guys? So here so it's not first of all CUI is not a user friendly. It's not a user friendly and even the color wise. So what a color will be the color command prompt? The command prompt color will be an only on black and white screen.
Mm,
First time you are able to see is nothing but only and more than suppose you are watching as continuously more than 1 hour per black and white screen you are getting as eyes affected. Okay. So even I don't know the color. Even
mm,
for example in command prompt okay in command prompt okay so I want to putting as a mouse pointer is allowed mouse pointer is not allowed okay so
yeah.
then you can type it sorry it is also not allowed so at the time what we'll do so again you have to doing is manually typing so based on this drawback so those are introducing as a GUI graphical user if it's not for SAP software any software is common. So based on the CU applications to drawback, so those are introducing as a GUI, graphical user interface. Same thing here. SAP also will be having the SAP the first releases. Those are introducing as a presentation layer. The technical name is a presentation layer. Even it is called as the GUI, graphical user interface. Is also called as a front end. Is also called as a user interface. Is also called as a application. Okay, so now even for example, I want to for real time example. Now I want to access okay in Facebook. Okay, I don't know about the Facebook, so now I want installing as a Facebook application in my mobile phone. So you have to go, I want accessing through URL based. So how the process will be going on? Tell me. So now I want to using as a Facebook in mobile phone or my laptop. So what a process you want to follow? I'm a new user for Facebook. So how the process will be
Mm,
going on?
Facebook application.
Yeah. First of all, what we'll do?
Application from App Store.
So you want to go for App Store. Again here, based on the operating system. Okay, again based on the operating system. For example, my mobile phone is Android mobile phone. Then what we'll do? You want to go for Play Store. Suppose I'm using as a iPhone. Okay, I'm using as a iPhone. Then what we'll do? Then where we downloading, you have to go for iTunes or you can go stay iStore. Okay, suppose I'm using as a Windows mobile phone. Then where we go? You want to go for Microsoft Store. Again based on the OS. Again the downloading storage is different location. Okay, after that what after that what we'll do?
Then create an
Ronit, actually your voice continuously breaking.
open an account, create an account.
Okay. After
Yeah.
the no, just see here after you can downloading, then what we do? So you have to do installation. After installation, you have to log in and you have to the registration is everything is done. Then what we'll do? After that, I have to log on to Facebook. I am to the chatting. Okay, I'm doing as a videos. I'm putting as some SMS. I'm putting as a some video calls and some comments and so where we store this overall data. Okay, where we store this overall data.
Facebook server.
So Facebook server is not storing any data. I'm asking the so for example, where we store this overall data, the data will be storing as in mobile phone or something else. So where
Yes.
we store this? So it's storing this mobile with chatting, videos and comments, likes and everything. Where we store this over in mobile phone or in a particular PC? No. Okay. Okay. So only means
Yeah.
what the purpose of application here? Only accessing purpose. There is no storage at all. The storage is different location. Same thing here. Now I want to accessing my SAP software. Then how you accessing through any software? So you are here accessing through GUI based. So now I am clear that so GUI is for only accessing for there is no storage at all. Okay. Again here you can say na say and where we downloading and you can say Play Store, iStore. Okay. Now my target is I want to downloading as a SAP application, SAP app, or you can call it as a SAP GUI. And where we downloading the software. Okay. Even you can say SAP presentation layer. Okay. So where we downloading this? And firstly, where we downloading again here. So where we downloading is nothing but service marketplace. Okay, so where you downloading is nothing but service marketplace. So service marketplace is the one of the website to provide by the SAP company. It's not a paid service; it's a cost based. Okay, it's a cost based on the client. Okay, if you download any types of okay, so any type of SAP products. Okay, SAP software, the license keys and everything. So where I am downloading, you can download it through service marketplace only. Okay, through service marketplace only. Now again here, so how you download will discuss. And again here based on the operating system. Sir, I want to access as what operating system you have. So I have Windows operating system, Linux operating system is there. Okay, Unix operating system is there. Mac laptop is there. AX is there. OS 400 is there. Okay, so again here, based on the operating system, the GUIs can be divided into the SAP GUI can be divided into okay GUI can be divided into three types. The first one is SAP GUI for Windows operating system. Okay, the second one is SAP GUI for Java based. And next one is SAP GUI for HTML. Okay, sir, what is meaning of SAP
Yeah.
for Windows is nothing but so I want to installing as a SAP software to only Windows operating system. Okay, only Windows operating system. So you can go for SAP GUI for Windows. After that, so I want to go for SAP GUI for Java. What is meaning of SAP GUI for Java is nothing but other than Windows like Unix operating system, Linux operating system, or Mac laptop system, sorry, Mac OS. So based on so I want to practice in SAP software through GUI based, you can downloading as this. And other than this, I want access through URL based. It's nothing but browser based. Okay, so like I want to go for
Mm.
Explorer, so I want to practicing a Mozilla Firefox. I want to go for Google Chrome. I want to go for Safari. Okay, so based on this, so based on URL base, so at the time what we do, so you can configure as a basis concept you can configure, but you can do either this too you can downloading, but you have download you don't downloading this, so you can configure
No.
as a basis concept you can configure. Once you are installing this, after you can configure manually. Okay, so we have to getting as a SAP G for HTML. So through browser based maximum, this configuration is done by the end user point of view. For example, you want to go for any bank, like for example, SBI Bank. So daily, suppose I'm working in a bank, I'm a clerk or manager. So first of all, what we do daily, I want to go for office. So first of all, I want to opening as a Internet Explorer only because server details is maintained by the maximum all government providers are using as a Internet Explorer only. Okay, okay, all Internet Explorer only. So through Internet Explorer, I'm just login. I can that is SAP SBI provides also maintained by SAP only. Okay, so you have to log in and you can do that. So here there is no software is required. So directly those are accessing through HTML format. But as a consultant, this is the end user point. I say end user point. But as you are a consultant, you are a web consultant, basis consultant, security consultant, BA consultant. So at that time here, based on the operating system. So Mac is suppose I want to go for Mac laptop, Unix operating system, you can installing it this one. And now here I want using as a Windows operating system and where we go. So you have to go for SAP GUI for Windows operating system. So these are the types is available in GUI types. Okay. So now, sir, now I know the understanding. Okay, based on the operating system GUI is three types is there. Now where I am downloading. So where we downloading the software?
Service.
So you have to go for service marketplace. So now I want to go for service
Service
market.
market.
So I want to make a presenter on it. Okay, you can downloading in your laptop. Okay, in your personal PC because of you want to get the access now. So you can download it.
Mm.
So I will show that. So I will please share your screen now.
Okay.
Okay, yes, okay, I will do. Now you have to go for Google and type the service marketplace. So service marketplace is replaced by the support portal nowadays. Older days is called service marketplace. Now it's go for support portal. Service marketplace. Just go for Google. Just go for Google. No, no, go for Google and type it because there is a SAP written. Some other marketplaces also is available. First one. First one. SAP support portal. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a service marketplace. So as a basis consultant, daily you want to log in every 20 to 30. Any types of software you can download it here only. Okay. So now here below one option is there. What checkbox is there? Na? What is the search box is there? Na? Enter the keyword and SAP node and KB. What is that meaning is nothing but. So I want installing as SAP software in an organization. I want to getting as any type of error. So those are SAP service market. Sorry, SAP labs. Those are providing as a some solution in the format of node number and KBA number. Okay, that we'll be discussing support package upgradation topic. Okay, and next one is here below is there. Now the first one icon is there support one launchpad. What is meaning of SAP support launchpad is nothing but overall activities you are to checking as a within the cockpit. Like what are the instances is there and what are the errors will be there, where we getting everything you have to maintain as the first one. You have 10 icons is there na? 10 icons is there na? The first one icon, SAP1 support launchpad. So this is one of the cockpit to monitoring as a overall activities like who are downloading, when they're downloading software, that everything will be displayed one by one. And next one is second icon is the second icon here. Report our instance means I said no,
Mm.
want to getting as any issues from your SAP software, you want to directly report it to your service. So directly you want to report it to the SAP labs. So how? So again, you want to when you're reporting, you want to get a priority, high priority, medium priority, low priority. High priority means within
Yeah.
hours, those are resolve the problem. Okay, low priority is nothing
To
but
get this.
within 24 hours, 40 hours, those are resolve the problem. Okay, medium priority is nothing but within 8 hours, those are resolve the problem. Okay, based on this. Next one, next icon. What is next icon here? You the incidences. Okay, so you the
Incidents. You.
incidences. What are the instances will be there till now in an entire project? You can monitor, not for you, everybody. Okay. Next one, you the SAP is not us and success facility department. And next one is the download the software. Any types of software you can downloading as a download. Any type, either OS operating system, either database, either support packages, either you want to go for upgradation, I want to go for migration, you want to go for license key set. So everything, any type of product, SAP product, you can downloading here only. Okay, next one, manage the user. Now you want to log in, he is asking us some user ID. Then I want to create a user ID for remaining all department. Then how many users will be there? Then the next icon. And next one is what is next icon? Request the keys. So I say na license keys. Okay, license key. So I want to
Yes.
apply get any license key. I have to go for only an a request key. Next one, manage the remote connection. So I want to log on to through work for a home or anything. I want to log on to different landscapes. You have to using as a manage the remote connections. Okay, next one, search the product documentation. Already told this is called as a PAM actually. So if you before you want to downloading any product, first of all, what we do, you want to know the history of the software. How you know the history of the software is nothing but like when the product is ended, when the product is started. Okay, so everything will be go for
Okay.
one by we have to checking that is such the product documentation. And cloud availability center means I want to mention that this to the cloud. Then you want to checking as a cloud as is available, so you want to take is rental based. Okay, per month and per
Yes.
day, and how much they will be checking as the cloud availability also there. Now, what is our target now? Our target is to downloading as a SAP software now. So, okay, then just click on download the software. Now enter the user ID S00
Mm.
user ID. Hello, yeah, don't need. Enter the user ID. Everything is capital letters. Okay, S00 139 68 667. Okay, and password is SMP SMP at the rate,
MP.
yeah, Empire Madras People Pune at the rate 1234. Okay. Now here again you are getting the three tabs: installation and upgradation, support packages, and databases. So installation is upgradation is nothing but first time when you're doing as anything installation. Okay, so you have to go for installation.
Yeah.
Again here in installation again here the software is in the format of A to Z letter. A to Z indexes. Okay, so like what type of software you want to download and by here by category wise. All your company license
Mm.
registered. So what are the products you want to buy in your company or organization in your project? Okay, in your project, what are the license? What are the license product is everything you are checking is second one. And next one, address directory and reference data. So where we storing this overall data? What are the directories? That is also you have to mention. SAP business one. What is the business data? Okay. So this all first time when you're doing is installation, you want to go for this. And second time is also there. That is also you have to go for support packages or you have to go for upgradation. Both will be common. And next one is support packages and patches. Next one, next tab is there, na? Support packages and patches. Sir, what is the support packages and patches is nothing but if you're downloading anything like, okay, so like any type of
Mm.
error. First of all, majorly errors only. Okay, and second thing is and you want to go upgrading the, like I want upgrading SAP software from one location to another location, we can using as a support packages and patches. And next one is the databases. You want to downloading as a backend. Now front is SAP and backend is anything other than this. Okay, so based on the requirement, you can go for one by one. Now, what is our requirement? Now, I want installing as a GUI. Then
Installation
you
and
want to go
upgrade.
for installation and upgradation. Okay,
Uh,
selected, and again here you want to downloading in the format of A to Z index. RS you have to such a data, but is very dots. Okay, now I want to go for A to Z index. Just expand that. Okay, and scroll down. Now, what is software name starting with G letter? So now I want to download a GUI, then go for G letter. Suppose I want to download HANA software, then go for H, so H letter. G, G, G. G for GUI. Okay. Just wait. Before you want to downloading anything, you want to know the life cycle of that software. Okay. Life cycle is nothing but because of now we want to downloading as a 740. Suppose you want to go for just go for info like what type of when this software is ended. Okay. And when the information before, because I say it's a cost based now. Now, say suppose
yeah.
I want to downloading a see the support life cycle when the 740 is ended, when the 740 is ended. So January 2000 means only 1 month is there. Okay,
Not
1
even
month
one
is
month.
there, and even restricted.
Mm.
Okay, even you can restrict see that. Okay, restricted within. Suppose I'm downloading the 1 month after that is the product is ended. So that what will do? I want to go for later. So and even I
I
want to know that what are the software, what are the platform will be supporting this GUI. Scroll down. You want to get the one table. No, no, scroll down, just scroll down. So again here when installing what are the features will be there, these all details. Now here again the table is there now. So SAP GUI for Windows, what type of platform will be supporting. Now see here what from here Windows Server 2000, sorry Windows 2008 server, okay Windows Server, okay Windows Server R/2 server 8.112 10 2016, okay, okay fine, okay everything will have to mention one by one. So that's why. Okay, before that's why before you want to downloading it, you have to check it. So I'm downloading, I'm
yes.
not doing anything, I'm not seeing anything. Just I'm downloading is a waste of money and waste of thing. So that's why before you want to download anything, you want to see the information. Okay, then go for downloads. Now you want to downloading as 750. Just go for SAP GUI for 750. Just click on install. Okay, just click on. No, no, not the check button. Just click on the hyperlink. Then just click on that icon. See the file size, file format, when it is released and when we change. Just click on. Actually, you are getting on a pop-up. Pop-up is blocked. Just go for pop-up. Web browser. Yes, the pop-up is allow the pop-up. Yeah, above one, above one. No, no, above one, above one. Just click on that above one. First, I have a link in the days.
Mm.
So again, he's asking the username and password S00 139.
3,
Okay, 68 66
six, eight,
7.
double six.
Yeah, 667. Okay, and password is SMP at the rate capital letters na at the rate 1234. Okay, now process is going on. Okay, this is the way of you want to download it. Once you want to download it, it's getting zip format. After that, you can extract it after the installation. How the installation will be? Once it's completed, will be discussed. Okay, so this is the way of you want to downloading as a SAP GUI. Okay, clear now? And log out
Yeah.
this session, and you want to go for log out the user ID. So this is the SAP R by 1, and can you come out now here? Okay, fine. Okay, now are you able to see my screen now? Okay, fine. Okay, so now you want to go for this. This is the GUI geotype and how you're downloading. After that, you can install. You want to getting as one icon like I say with GUI icon. Okay. After that, you can install it. So how the installation like once is downloading, you want to getting the software. Yeah, this is the one. And after that, even I'm only need to this 7.0. So after that, extracted the files. After extraction, you're getting this file. See here, bd underscore netviewer 7.0 underscore presentation 750. Now, how to installing as a SAP GUI? Maybe it is 600. Okay, just wait okay, now this is the way of part of installation. Now here, tell me now what are advantages of SAP GUI? Arun, what
SAP.
yeah. Okay, first one is the multiple members login at a time. Okay, so just assume as in your Facebook. Okay, how many members are installing Facebook daily? How many members are login? Multiple members are login. Okay,
In one system,
sorry.
multiple users can log in.
Multiple members are login the same user ID, or else is you have to go for different user ID also. Will we go for practically and discuss? Actually, I'm not getting your voice properly. You just type it in charting is better. Okay, so now here coming to here, SAP here. First of all, multiple members are login is a user interface is a by default anybody login directly can login. You can do this. Okay, and secondly, multiple members are login. When you login, you want to change the if you want what type of font you want and what type of theme you want. Okay, and what type of color we want. So everything you have to setting by default. And even when you log in, you have to change the password also. Okay, these are advantages. Now here, what are the drawbacks? But it has advantages. What are the drawbacks of this? What are the drawbacks of SAP GUI? Only one that is there is no storage. Okay, there is no storage of SAP
But
GUI. Then even any app there is no storage. What is the purpose of app is nothing but only for accessing purpose. Then where I am storing this or I want to doing some practical, then where we storing this overall data is nothing but in backend session. So based on this R by 1 drawback, so those are introducing as a one more architecture. That architecture is called as a R by 2. Okay, what is meaning of R by 2 is nothing but R is nothing but again R is nothing but real time. Okay, 2 is nothing but two layers. Okay, 2 is nothing but two layers. What are the two layers here? Presentation layer. Okay, and plus next layer is where we storing is here we have to go for DB layer. Okay, so it's called database layer. Again here, so what a purpose of database is storing purpose. Again here, SAP is a database independency. Okay, SAP is a database independency. It's mainly supporting as a overall databases. So it can be supporting as a Oracle, it's supporting SQL Server, it's supporting as a MySQL, it's supporting as a Linux. Okay, so Informatica. Okay, it's supporting as a Informatica. Okay, and it's supporting as a MaxDB. It's going to be supporting as SAP HANA DB. Okay, it's supporting as a DB2. So it's a overall database. But this course you are discussing as a variety. Now here, sir, how the storage will be done and how, where we downloading the database. So tell me the navigation. So where we downloading the database? Now I'm downloading the GUI is okay, fine. It's only app. Now what is our target? I want to downloading as a SAP backend system. So I want to downloading a databases. Now where we downloading as a database? Again, what we do go for tell me the navigation. So how we downloading?
We'll log in here.
Go for service marketplace. Okay. Select the download the software. Taking a long time. Okay, then where we go? Which tab you want to go? You want to go for databases tab. Okay, again here go for database system. Again here, see here. So SAP, what type of database will be supporting? So these are the database. IBM DB2, IBM DB2 for IBM will be having its own operating system. That is a OS 400. So that's why it's add Informatica, SQL Server, Oracle database, and MaxDB. Now my target is, sir, SAP HANA DB is not available, but because of it's a different, it's a Sybase. See the Sybase. So HANA DB is not available because it's a different database that is Informatica that is developed in installation and application only that we will discuss later. Now my target is I want to downloading as Oracle database. So how are you downloading? Select the Oracle database and again here what is the latest version already. So if you don't know before you want to downloading you want to following as a info tab. Once you want to read the information again you want to checking what type of so it's a size 62-bit or 32-bit. So now I want to go for 64-bit.
54.
So again here what is the latest version? This is the latest version 2.21 also. Okay, go for latest version, then go for installation. Again here select your operating system. Now here what I operating system is there? AX is there, HP Unix is there, Linux is there, Microsoft Windows is Solaris is there. Now I want to go for Windows. In Windows here what type of sub what the versions is there? So these are the version name. So here the two ports is there. Actually three is there. Oracle RDBMS 12.1 point is a Windows. So why that what are those are dividing the parts here? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Why those are dividing is nothing but is called as a multi-spamming. So what is the meaning of multi-spamming? Now see what the file says here. What is software say around nearly 4 GB. What the file says here, this is a 4 GB. Around this is
4 GB.
around 1.5 GB. So why those are actually in SAP service marketplace uploading those maximum is 4 GB or more. It's go for more than 4 GB. So you want to dividing the form. See this information. What is this information? Okay, the packages that are larger than 4 GB will be packed in archive split with the 4 GB parts. So what we call it can call it multi-spamming. Means in service marketplace you had uploading as only 4 GB. Suppose it's go for more than 4 GB, then it will be splitting in the format of
We'll go.
multi-spamming. The topic is called multi-spamming. Okay, the size is maximum is 4 GB. Is go for more than 4 GB, those are dividing the part wise, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Now I want to go for installing as a Oracle database. Compulsory you need to downloading as a, these three files. Okay, what the overall file size now is 4 and 1 per means around 9 GB, 4 4 8 8 9. Nearly 5 GB is available. Okay, then you can do overall installation one by one as per the requirement. Then only you can. So this is the way of you want to installing as a database in our system. So now SAP R by 2 is also okay. Front end is there like a GUI is available and database is available. Then here again, what is the drawback by 2? Sorry,
will be used in R2.
actually your noise is what? Just type it, man.
Will be
Your voice is breaking. Can you type it? Here charting is there, na? You can type it.
on typing chat.
Uh, what is your doubt? The same Geo application will be working on R2. Yeah, no. Actually, R2 is same. R2 is nothing but was there na. RY is nothing but presentation plus database is working. So you want to access through database. For example, now we want to installing as a Oracle database. Just assume how you log in Oracle database. Actually, how to log in through command based. Suppose I want to installing as a MaxDB or HANADB. How do the login? Using as a through Studio based. So here, Studio is nothing but is only a GUI base. It's only an accessing purpose. There is no storage. Okay. So this one. Okay. And next one is the SAP R by 3. So here, sir, R by 2 has some drawback. Then only you want to go for R by 3. Na? Again, here in R by 2, what are the drawbacks will be there? So what are the drawback will be there? We see here. Now here I have presentation layer is there, and I have database layer also. My database also there. Okay. Now here how the login will be going on. Suppose now even as a user how the login is go for daily. So I want to log daily. I want to log on to Facebook. Okay. I have to log in through GUI base through GUI to where we log on. So you have to log on to your database. That is fine. For example, just assume as a, this is the database is for SBI Bank. In SBI, how many customers is there? Around 25 crores of customers is available. Okay, and means 25 crores of database is available here. Now I want to checking as a my account balance. So how to checking my account balance? So through mobile phone or any URL. First of all, where we log on? So I want to log on to SBI app. I want to enter the conditions. So I have to log in. I'm logging again. Now data is retrieved from the overall data will be just assume as a overall data will be storing as a entire SBI database is 25 crores tables will be there. So I want to retrieving as a one table only. Again means retrieve and again what we do? So you want to get the response from there. So how much time will be taking for this? Usually within fraction of seconds is there. It's okay, fine. Now in when you go for banking timing, what is the banking timings here? 10 to 5. How many members will be logged on this SBI database? And even the same time, how many members are through internet banking? Okay, ATM machines, cash withdrawal machines. Okay, and everybody will be logged on through GUI, and where we affected will be storing data will be storing as a database only. Here, what happened? Multiple members are logging at a time. At that time, what happened? So you want to retrieve the data from the database, will be taking as a lot of time. Even you are getting as a what will happen? You are getting as a load. Okay, sometimes what happen? Database is also will be corrupted. So to reducing as a load balancing between the presentation to application. So you want to running your business application. So in between we are introducing as a one more layer. That one more layer is called as a R by 3 is called as a application layer is also called as a application server. So now how you log in? So it's nothing but your login application layer or application server. This configuration what we call, you can calling as a SAP R by 3. Again here, what is R by 3 here? R means real time. So 3 means 3 layers. Okay, what are 3 layers? Sequence is compulsory. Presentation layer, okay, application layer, and database layer. Now company is following as a this layer configuration only. This layer configuration, presentation and application and so now how we log in? So first of all I have to log on through SBI app. Okay. So I have to log in. Where we log in? I have to log on through server base. So server is nothing but multiple members are at a time sharing. Sorry, you want to share the information, multiple members are at a time. So the data will be storing in the format of database, and even you want to retrieve also through database to the application server to present it. So these are the sequence. These are the user request journey will be followed for this layer. Okay. Again, you say databases and again here application server or application layer again is divided into two parts. Okay, so application servers are divided into two parts, one for ABAP based and one for Java based. This is a application
Yeah.
server ABAP and application server Java based. So what the difference is nothing but, so you want to access as a application server to shortcut. So you can call as a shortcut. You can say transaction code. In the technical language, we call it transaction code. This will discuss tomorrow. Okay, it's called as a
Sorry,
application
sorry
for
to
ABAP.
interrupt you.
And suppose I want accessing as a through URL based. Okay, only URL based. You can using as a application for Java based. So what is this? We'll be discussing tomorrow session. Okay, till now is clear. Tomorrow you will be discussing as a entire architecture for application server. One second. Okay. Now I'll repeat here. Once you want to extract that SAP GUI, see here how to installing as SAP GUI. Go for this software. You can see the software. Once extracting is that, go for G. See the path. Go for GUI. Windows Win32. Here one option is there. What option? Sir, I want to getting any note. You have to setup guide is there. SAP GUI setup guide is there. Just okay. Just double click on it. Only a GUI. Okay, once our installation is downloading it, then you can do the installation in your system because of tomorrow access, server access. They'll be starting as a practicals also. So here what we call SAP front end, even is called as GUI, it called as a presentation, any naming convention. Why is taking this much time? So here just click on next. Here you can selecting a all copy. Select all. The clicker. Next. Next. Now process is going on. Once you want to installation successfully in your desktop, you're getting as some icon, like a three red, like you want to getting this icon. This is an old version, so you want to getting as a new version icon. Okay. Once it's done, I will get a server access tomorrow. Will be continued tomorrow. Okay. I will forward this recording to your mail ID. Okay. Please share your mail ID to the contact person Chaitanya. Okay. Fine, Rohit. So totally become. Yeah. Hello.
He has my
I'm not getting you. Okay. Please type it here. Actually, tomorrow onwards you can plan for Skype. Okay. So he has mail. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, fine. I'll share it. Okay, fine. Okay. So I don't need.